They're recording.
Hey, hey.
I noticed.
Hey,
Okay, I've got a better idea. What do you like now?
I
How
would
about I
like
turn
to
the camera
know.
and point it going on the stage?
Why? Why?
A few seconds. It's a
I,
Ladies and gentlemen, Sanbonan.
Yeah.
Sister South Africa. What on? Okay, here's the color. Let's visualize. The chicken yellow. The chicken yellow. Where fit like a boss? Getting him born. Miss me. Yeah. When I win, I saw the primary. I think it was cookies all on, but you won Miss Primary or some shit.
yeah.
You want some shit and fun. Oh, valile bastard.
I'm so drunk.
You're not drunk. You're not drunk. We are zentis.
Answer this.
The signature, let's know.
No.
Ah, ngiyayazi ngayo endlini yakho.
Sona phezu nayo.
Ayona. Yebo ante.
Should I take a picture or just?
Mobi. Oh, baby.
That motherfucking asshole. He's an asshole. Yeah, okay.
What the fuck is? What the fuck is? What the fuck is? Exactly. That nigga's an asshole. You got that? No, I mean like Usma just said it herself. Nah, he's a fucking two-hole. He's a fucking two-hole. Nigga, you can't be closing alcohol. Go to now. I mean, like, what the fuck is wrong with you? What the fuck is wrong with you? We'll post a pitch. We'll post a video. And you'll be like, that's tag. They post out, that's tag. You know, can't be la paya and my post a look at him. Baba, I got a nigga right there. Nga music kamara ke bazambop. Ma post a tag. So nice. Baba.